everyone, welcome to another video. So, we're back into, once again, the game. Let's see, Mission 7. Once again, we received multiple warnings of tornado outbreaks in a small area. Watch multiple tornadoes that could form over your head. I forgot how we failed this one yesterday, but this one's supposed to be really bad. It's going to be really cool, and we're supposed to catch a flying cow. So, yeah, let's go take a look. So, tornado outbreak is the occurrence of multiple tornadoes spawned by the same storm. Keep an eye on each twister to avoid losing your mission. That I don't kind of understand. To avoid losing your mission, like, what does that mean? Like, is a tornado gonna form right over my head and hit me? I don't know. I just know one of them gets like really, really huge, and it hits the frame, and yeah, you're supposed to get 1,000 points out of pictures. So yeah, we're gonna just try and do that. You can see clearly they haven't switched anything. They haven't updated the game yet, sadly, but they will. They're working on it. But once we complete this mission here, oh, it's pretty nice out today. Once we complete this mission here, you know, then we can move on to that free roam that I'll stream for you people. We don't have a car. We don't really have anything. You can see inside here, can't you? Yeah. That's actually pretty cool. There's the cows that we probably want to catch. So they give you 7 minutes to do this. It does get a little laggy, but you know. Okay, first few tornadoes. Oh look, well, we might have something forming there. Oh crap! Oh jeez. Okay then. Look how big that is. Okay, wait for this one to hit. This one's getting close. Oh, crap. Uh-oh. Oh, run! Run, Johnny! Run! Oh my god! Where do we go? Run! Johnny, run! Oh my god! Johnny! Oh, that's pretty big. That's pretty big too. That's pretty big. That's huge. I think this is debris. Oh, bro! Bro, run! Whoa! Oh crap! Oh no! Go to the burn! Oh, dude, this is bad. Run! Oh, tornadoes everywhere! Oh my god, the cows are running! Yes, cows! Ah! Oh, debris! Debris! Yes, run, cows! Run, 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 run! Oh my god! How do we catch a fly? Oh, is that a flying cow? No. What is that? Try looking for a flying cow. Oh, look. They're running. What? How do we catch a flying cow? Oh! Yes! I did it, guys! We got a flying cow! Yes! That is a huge tornado! But the cow was tipping over. The cow like, meow, and it tipped over. Like, look, tipped over cow! Oh my god! The tornado's a cow flipping. It flipped the cow! Mr. Cow, I'll come save you. Oh my god, that... Okay, I don't want to die, but like, that's huge. Oh, look at that debris. Oh, that is terrible. It's raining. There's a major tornado right there. Okay, I completed the mission. Let's take a look at the cow. Be careful. Oh, dude, this is bad. Cow, are you okay? He looks okay to me. It looks like his friends are okay. Oh my god, look at that! That's a power line! Wow, that tornado's huge! Uh-oh, we got one behind us. Let's come over to the cows over here. Why don't we? Oh my god, that was huge. Like, look at that! Wow! Don't die. Don't die. Oh no, here's another flipped over cow. I feel bad for these cows, like their heads just got destroyed. The ones over here like, nice little day to be eating grass. So cows, how are you doing? Wow, that's some realistic cows. How's that tornado over there? Is it coming back? I don't know. I don't think it is. I just know that that's it. I mean, if you were... Ew. If you were hiding in the bank, you would probably be really scared, but you would be okay. Like, your car's okay. A lot of your farm's okay. And guys, we just completed it. Would you look at that? Completed that like that was nothing. Wow. Well, we've done all the missions. We actually did all the missions, guys. That's insane. Is there any like online games going on right now? I don't think there's any online games going on. Let's just sit here for a second. It usually say so. So there are this coming out soon. Single player. Bro, we could go to free roaming. Alright guys, well you know tomorrow I'll be streaming free roaming. I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah. So yeah, that only took like 10 minutes. Like this is a really quick video, but last time we couldn't really complete it. And yeah, bye. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.